Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Okay guys, so in this video I'm gonna teach you how to send an encrypted email using Gmail, of course. And while you're watching this one, if you're using a tablet, a MacBook, a laptop, any other devices, even the phone, please stay on the video even though you're seeing that this is a desktop video that includes a Windows OS. Please stay on the video even though you're using a Safari, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome for your browser, even though I'm using Microsoft Edge, okay? Doesn't really matter as long as, of course, you have access to the internet. That being said, open up your browser of your choice and search for Gmail. Now, with this one, this should be the landing page of your Gmail. I'm just right now composing a message. And then just choose a recipient of your email. For example, I'm just gonna choose my other email. I think it's Anthony or Samuel. Okay, I'm gonna use that one. And then let's just put a header or subject YouTube video, for example. And then, hi, how are you? I'm doing okay. Simple as that. Doesn't really matter what's the content of the email. So with this one, if you're satisfied with this, for example, you're done composing your email and you want to encrypt it, right? It's simple as hovering your mouse on the tools below right here. You should see a lock icon. Toggle confidential mode. Now, as you can see, confidential mode, this is the encryption mode. Now with this one, you have a lot of choices. For example, set expiry. For example, you can put 1 week, a day, a month, 3 months, and 5 years. You can specify the date when it's sent or when it expires. And as you can see right here, recipients won't have the option to forward, copy, print, or download this email. Third option is require password. This is my favorite actually, and all passcodes will be generated by Google. So before they can open this email from you, they should input a number where SMS should provide them with the passcode. That being said, if you toggle that one right there and expires, let's just say in a day, and then you should be good to go. This is actually very encrypted right now. That being said, that's how you encrypt an email using Gmail. Thank you so much for watching, and please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one, okay? Have a safe one, guys.